luxuriously embellished with Swarovski crystals, a sign of luxury. This low-cut version of the iconic basketball shoe, the Air Jordan 1, will make the wearer the life of the party. The Swarovski crystal embellishment that spans the entire upper is this model's most notable feature. The refined ambience created by the color scheme, which is based on black and silver, is well deserving of the moniker stealth. The crystals set on the heel panel and side swoosh glitter brightly and reflect light, adorning your feet like diamonds. A sense of high excellence as a work of art is conveyed by the meticulous arrangement of crystals from the toe to the heel tongue label. Luxurious suede material makes up the upper, while Swarovski crystals on top add depth and a three-dimensional appearance. The Nike Air emblem is featured on the insole and shoe tongue, honoring the original model. Furthermore, the classic rubber substance used to make the outsole is pleasant and long-lasting. Pairs will cost $1,000 at retail, and should decelerate on May 17.